Namaskaram, this is Varshita. Welcome to Manam, Ananagar, Chennai. Manam is a renowned sari brand in Ananagar. Manam is carefully crafted for you to discover hand-picked saris from weaving clusters all over India. And we also have customized lehengas and designer blouses. Manam is a 4-story building and it is located in the prime area of Ananagar, Chennai. Starting with the ground floor, we have a wide range of designer casual saris, daily wear saris, and gift saris and other saris that suit your budget. Now moving on to the first floor. If you want to buy a designer yet classy traditional Kanjivaram sari, Manam is the place to visit. Here we have pure traditional Kanjivaram, Banarasi, Tassar, Jamdani and other handloom saris that suit all traditional occasions. Moving on to the second floor, we have a wide range of ready-to-wear salwar suits, kurtis, party kurtis, designer salwar suits and unstitched salwar suits. Now moving on to the third floor, which is the bridal studio. The bridal studio consists of bridal lehengas, bridal gowns, party wear and all other types of gowns. In today's episode of Manam Saris, we have the Mangalagiri silk saris with pure handloom raw silk blouse. Starting off with the first sari, this is a coffee brown sari, as you can see, with a double-sided silver jari border, and it's got a contrast pallu as well, a nice green pallu with borders of silver jari on it. And for the blouse, we have a light green blouse that is completely contrasting to the sari, along with a darker shade of green border with silver jari on it as well. Moving on to the next color, this very pretty sapphire blue color. Now this sari is got jari checks, silver jari checks on the body, and for the pallu you can see it's the same color over here, but it's got jari stripes on the pallu. And now for the blouse, it's a pure handloom raw silk blouse again, which is a darker shade of blue, again contrasting to the body. And here it is got golden buttas all over the blouse and a border with silver jari on it. This sari is priced at rupees 4,995. Moving on to the next color, bright red color, the next one. A very lovely color, suitable for traditional occasions. And this sari has got printed jari checks on the body. And here, similar to the last sari, it has got stripes on the pallu. And now moving on to the blouse, a dark green blouse, very pretty. And it's also like similar to the previous one, got buttas, rose buttas, gold ones, and a red color border with silver jari. This is also priced at 4,995. A light blue color, perfect for very small occasions, get-togethers, etc. Now this again has got a smaller checked body, silver checked jari, and for the pallu we've got stripes again, silver jari stripes. And now for the blouse, this is a Tassar digital print blouse, and as you can see for the border again, it's got a silver jari border. And this is very unique, you will not find it in many stores. It is priced at rupees 4,995. It's dark purple color with golden jari borders. It's a double-sided border, a thinner border over here and a thicker border on this side. And this has got a plain body. And for the pallu over here, it's a plain pallu again. A bright orange color blouse, a contrasting blouse. And here it's got smaller golden buttas here as well. And for the jari, a broad golden jari. Moving on to the next color. This peach color, very, very pretty color. Here again, it's got a double-sided jari border, a thinner one here and a thicker one. And for the pallu over here, it's a plain pallu but a broad border at the bottom. And for the blouse, here again a digital print Tassar blouse, completely contrasting, a very pretty blouse. And this is priced at rupees 4,995. Moving on to the next shade, this light green color. And this one has got silver and gold jari checks on the body. And for the blouse here, it's got a striped jari border. And for the blouse, it's a pink blouse with got buttas again. And for the border of the blouse over here, it's a silver jari border. Previously, we had shown you Mangalagiri silk by cotton saris. And now you will be seeing Mangalagiri silk by silk saris. Now starting off with the first color, very, very pretty bright red sari with a silver jari border. And it's got a silver jari border here as well. And as for the pallu, it's a green border pallu with a broad silver jari border. And for the blouse, it's a Banarasi blouse, a very floral print blouse, so it's contrasting the body. Very rare patterns, and this is priced at rupees 7,995 only. Now moving on to the next shade, my favorite color, lovely purple. Now this has got a broader jari, golden jari over here, and as you can see near the blouse, it's got a smaller jari. And for the pallu, it's a very royal blue, lovely color again, and it's got a broad golden jari at the bottom. And now for the blouse, again a Banarasi floral print blouse, and this is priced at rupees 8,750 only. Moving on to the next shade, it's a very unique shade. It's a double shaded color, it's a mustard and with green color, and this is a fancy sari. So as you can see here as well, it's got a broad border over here, a silver jari border, and a smaller one near the blouse. And as for the pallu, it's a plain pallu, double shaded with blue tassels at the bottom, very nice. And for the blouse, it's a dark purple blouse with jari buttas all over, as you can see. And this is priced at rupees 10,750 only. Moving on to the next shade, again a dark purple shade, double shaded, so dark purple with blue. And here, again like I mentioned, a broader jari, silver jari border, and a thinner one towards the blouse. And for the pallu over here, you can see golden and silver jari. So it's a double shaded jari again, a broad jari at the pallu. And for the blouse, completely contrasting, a green blouse, and it's got stripes of jari, and it's got also a broad jari at the bottom. And this is priced at rupees 10,750 only. Now we are done with the sari episode, and now moving on to the next category, which is the salwar category.
Hi, this is Harshita. Welcome to Manam Salwar episodes. First, we have this cream colored salwar suit material, which is a very elegant color, and this is a Chanderi digital print material with beautiful floral prints on it. The dupatta also has digital floral prints on it with gold jari checks. The bottom is a plain taffeta material, and this salwar suit is priced at rupees 2,095. The second color we have is this pista green color with the same Chanderi digital print on it, with the same floral design, and the same applies for the dupatta as well, with gold jari checks. The bottom is again the plain taffeta material, and this is priced at rupees 2,095 only. The third color we have is this very bright color, which is a peach color, and this is the same Chanderi digital print salwar suit material with floral prints on it, and same applies to the dupatta as well, which has Chanderi digital floral prints and gold jari checks. The bottom is a taffeta material, and this salwar suit material is priced at rupees 2,095 only. First, we have this green colored semi-tassar salwar suit material with embroidery buttas all over it, with a contrast brown colored printed dupatta. And the bottom is a plain taffeta material, and it is priced at rupees 2,345 only. The second one is a grey colored salwar suit material, which is a semi-tassar material, and it has embroidery butta all over the salwar with a contrast dark green colored printed dupatta. And the bottom is a plain taffeta material bottom. And this salwar suit is priced at rupees 2,345 only. Now we have this mustard color salwar suit material, which is again the semi-tassar material with embroidery butta all over the salwar, with a contrast navy blue printed dupatta. We also have a plain taffeta bottom, and this salwar suit material is priced at rupees 2,345 only. Next, we're going to see a few Chanderi embroidered salwars. Here we have this Chanderi half white salwar suit material with floral embroidery all over the salwar. The dupatta is a chiffon material dupatta, which is a shaded dupatta with two shades of pink and half white. The bottom is a pure cotton bottom with a contrast color of pink, and this bottom adds contrast to the whole outfit. This whole outfit is priced at rupees 2,795 only. Here we have this Chanderi half-white salwar suit material with floral embroidery all over the salwar. The dupatta is a chiffon dupatta, which is a shaded dupatta with 2 shades of copper sulphate blue and half-white. The bottom is a pure cotton bottom with a copper sulphate color, which add contrast to the outfit. This outfit is priced at rupees 2,795. Here we have this Chanderi half-white salwar suit material with floral embroidery all over the salwar. The dupatta is a chiffon material dupatta, which is a shaded dupatta, and it has 2 shades of peach and half-white. The bottom is a peach color bottom, which is a pure cotton bottom. This outfit is priced at rupees 2,795 only. Next, we have a new set of printed muslin salwar suit material. Here we have this black with orange printed muslin salwar suit material, and the dupatta is a silk cotton material with applique work on it. The bottom is a contrast color and it is a plain silk cotton bottom. This salwar suit material is priced at rupees 3,095. Here we have a blue with white printed muslin salwar suit material, and the dupatta is a silk cotton material with applique work on it. The bottom is a contrast color to the outfit and it is a pure silk cotton material. This whole salwar suit material is priced at rupees 3,095. Here we have a pink with white printed muslin salwar suit material, and the dupatta is a pure silk cotton material with applique work on it. The dupatta adds contrast to the outfit, and the bottom is this salwar suit material is priced at rupees 3,095 only. Here we have a blue with red salwar suit material, which is a printed muslin material, and the dupatta is a pure silk cotton material with applique work on it. The bottom is a contrast colored pure silk cotton bottom. This whole salwar suit material is priced at rupees 3,095 only. So we've come to the end of today's episode. Do stay tuned to see what's in store for you in the next episode. Thank you.